In this video, I'm going to show you how to change miles to kilometers in Apple Maps. So maybe you're an avid Apple user who likes the Apple Maps, but you get your directions in miles and you want to change it to kilometers. It's very easy to do. So the only thing you really have to do is go to your settings and scroll down to General. And then from there, you want to go down to where it says Language and Region. So you're going to have to actually change the measurement system of your phone entirely, and that will automatically update in your Apple Maps. So what you can do is go down to Measurement System, go ahead and click that. And if you want it in kilometers, the only thing you have to do is click Metric. So once that's selected, we can go back and we can go into our Apple Maps. And I'm just going to pick somewhere. Let me just scroll down here. I don't know. Let's just pick somewhere to go here. I'm just going to click. There we go. We can do this, I guess. And what that's going to do is we can hit the directions, and it's going to give me all the directions to go here. And now you see that it's updated. Now it says 22 kilometers. So it's changed the way it's going to give you the distance from miles to kilometers, and it happened automatically. So and to go back and change it, you would just go back into your settings and change that back to US, and it'll put it back to miles. So that's how you would go about changing the miles to kilometers in your Apple Maps. So with that said, I hope you found this helpful and useful, and we'll see you in the next video.